Hey guys, um, today what we have here is this 52-inch HomeTrends ceiling fan, which is made by TAT, and it was sold at Walmart. I wanted to say this is probably, I could be wrong though, in the early 1990s or late 80s, possibly late 80s, due to those cane blades, but I don't know. But anyway, um, I got this from fellow fan collector Donald Root with his friend that came to hang out over here in the garage, and I'm very happy to have it. And just to mention a few things, he's got this one and home treads that he's got. He's got two. He got two of these from a bowling alley that these used to be installed in. And so I asked him if I could have one of these, and now it's mine. And I'm really happy because these are definitely one of my childhood fans I remember seeing growing up. So yeah, let's go ahead and show up the close-ups. There's a ball pull chain I put up. I had it on a satellite, and it's not original to this fan, but actually these came with the ball pull chains came as you see it on these fans. Filigree sideband and GE-Vents that I really like, and it's flush mounted. And it came with its own mounting bracket. And here's the cane, which I love these on cane. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started on low. Alright. Here's a medium. It's got a tick noise, and I think it's coming from either the motor or switch housing. I think one of the, it's gotta be somewhere on top that's making it, it's kind of wobbling a little bit, but oh well. Let's see how the breeze is doing. It's actually moving some air. Alright. And here's high speed. And it does wobble. And it's got a hum to it. And it is moving some air, for sure. So I'll show you the airflow. I think the blade pitch is not too bad. I know these are not good these do not have good performance, and especially the qualities these are, but that's not the reason why I like these though, because these are definitely, like I said before, these are childhood fans of mine. I remember growing up. My old neighbor had one in antique brass. The middle school I went to had like 4 of these, and not in the same classroom, but different classrooms I remember seeing. My mom's ex had one of these. I think his was bigger though, with the bigger housing, but it was still GE-Vent. And also my dad used to have one in 5-blade with no cane, just bleach oak on the other side of the blades, which that was actually mid-90s HomeTrends I remember my parents bought. And yeah, these used to be local around here, and I did find one at Habitat. It was um, white and polished brass with cane blades, but I didn't get it because it didn't have the original switch cap, and I don't think it had the original mounting bracket, and plus the wires were they were cut off, but you can still take them out and try to wire it if you can. I don't know. But yeah, I'm really happy I have this. This is one of the HomeTrends I really wanted throughout my collection. So we'll go ahead and turn it off. It's got a quick spin down too. Well, not a very quick spin down, but spin down don't really last long. I would like to find one of these in 5-blade cane. I actually like the TAT one, or the older TAT ones. Alright, here's your HomeTrends ceiling fan made by TAT. And hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and hopefully more to come.